Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you make more of this, don't worry, you can freeze them just the way I'm doing so, and you have your mono dose whenever you need any. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my viewers, I want to say thank you and God bless you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your homemade vitamin C for your body, for your hair, and for your hands. So it is super effective, but as usual, you know these things are natural, so it's not going to work like magic. You have to be very consistent in using them. At least this, I'm using this same for my hands, so every evening before I sleep, and I make sure I spray a good amount of it. It dries so easily, then I use it. All you need is orange. I got the bio orange. If you can't get a bio orange, you can buy it from the store, but make sure you wash it with a very good sanitizer. Make sure you wash it very well before you used it. So I have the orange, my vitamin E, and grapeseed oil. Vitamin E is a skin repairer, a vitamin. Why grapeseed oil? If you keep using grapeseed oil, it helps brighten your skin. Aside many of its benefit, it helps brighten your skin, make your skin glow. So in this channel, we do everything glowing at zero cost. You're going to use only the ingredients in your kitchen cabinet. You have to look beautiful, but you have to be patient and be consistent in it. So guys, let's pop in. As you can see, the orange has a lot of peelings. Like I said, it is bio orange, so you can see how strong it hits. So I just went ahead, used my hand. It has a lot of layers. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in the blender. Because my blender isn't big and it was a small one, so I have to like cut them or dice them. But if you are using a big blender, you can skip this you can skip this process. Meanwhile, you are going to blend it without water. So I use the dried blenders. I have to cut it then for easy blending. All I did after cutting, I went ahead and blend. While this was going on, I had my water on the heat on the fire. So the water, I'm going to allow it to boil. Once it got to a boiling stage, I will put up the heat. Then, as you can see, now I'm turning on the heat. I will allow the water to boil. Once it's I seen or you see it has started boiling, you just put it off and it is done. You are not going to cook this mixture because vitamin C is a very sensible vitamin. So when you cook it, you are going to lose a lot of its active properties. So that is why it is still recommended to cook vitamin vitamin C, just like boiling lemon or boiling orange. Yes, you might get some, but you are not going to, it's not 100% guaranteed, because definitely alongside while eating it, some of the nutrients will disappear. It is going to be effective and work, but you are not going to get the 100% active properties in it. So I just added my boiled water to it. I allow it to cool. Then I filter. I use my filter. You can use a cheesecloth or a napkin. Make sure your things are well clean and neat, because these things, they don't have preservative in them. So you are going to make sure whatever contact or whatever things you are going to use them for, they should be clean. So I just cover it, allow it to cool. Make sure you allow it to cool so you will not blame me. You will not tell me say it is hot. As you can see, the color is very beautiful. And the aroma, my God, so It smells so great. So while I'm going to do it, I just give it a good mix, so I'll be sure everything soaked and release their properties inside the water. So guys, before I continue, the video is self-explanatory. Let me say thank you for watching, and God bless you. And please, if you haven't subscribed and you find my content interesting and you felt the need to support my channel, please kindly use the subscribe button. And beside the subscribe button, there's also a notification bell. Use the all option of that notification bell so you will not miss out any of my update. Right now, I went ahead with my hands to squeeze them because I want all the juice out, not in the waste at all. Not in the waste. So I'm going to squeeze them out, make sure I get every single liquid in them. So I wasn't satisfied with it, so I have to repeat the process again to make sure I don't have any pieces. As you can see, those pieces, I don't need them. So that is why I advise you use a napkin or a cheesecloth for a final result. So this is my mixture. As you can see, my vitamin E, my vitamin C oil, liquid or water is ready. Right now, what I'm going to do, this is my vitamin E. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some drops of it. I think about 5 ml, about 20 ml of vitamin E to my spray bottle. Then I'll also repeat the same thing with my grape seed oil. My bottle is a recycled bottle, so that is why you can see Johnson on it. It's a recycled bottle because I was having one. I said there's no need of buying, so I recycled my bottle. This is my grape seed. I just went ahead and repeat the same process. Whenever you are going to use it, give it a good shake because you have the oil. Normally, you are going to have the oil on top while the water will be done. These two components, they don't mix together. So before you use, give it a good shake, a good mix, and you spray it. Okay. So my water is ready. I'm just going to transfer them into my spray bottle. Then I give it a mix, a good shake, and it's ready to be used. You can use this water for your body. You can use it for your face before bedtime. You just spray it on your face after washing your face. Definitely, obviously, you spray it on your face and you go to bed. It dries so easily and it does not have any stain or smell. So you're definitely going to like this smell. As you can see from the color, this is 100% natural remedy. Like I said, it is not a magic, but you can make it work as a magic if you are consistent in using it. All right, now I'm going to give you some kind of a patch test to see how it is. I just spray some on my hands. I'm going to do the same thing with the other hands to tell you it dries so easily, very, very fast in drying. So you won't bother or thinking of why is it wet, because it's a spray, so it wouldn't come out much, come out in a very little quantity. But as you can see, it is super effective and lovely. I love these feelings and I love how it feels in my hand. So these are one of the ways you can make your vitamin C water, your vitamin C remedies at home. You can use them on your hair, use them on your skin, and use them on your legs. If you have cracked heels or cracked legs, this remedy is also effective for those cracked heel or cracked legs. I don't know if it's so. Right now, keep the rest. Just like my case, I made mush, so I'm going to freeze this, and whenever I need some, I just bring out a mono dose of it. It is a mono dose. I like to defrost naturally, then I use it for whatever I'm going to use it for. You don't have to cook this whenever you are using it. You don't have to cook. Don't cook it. Don't, I repeat, don't cook it. Defrost. I like to defrost in a very natural way. All right, guys, until next time I come across your way again, stay beautiful and be